What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Monday, January the 8th, 2024. Today, we're going to talk about TradeLikeCrazy.ai. It's one of those platforms that has still slowly been performing, and we haven't had a whole lot of skin in the game, but we have been taking some of our earnings and continuing to buy contracts, and it seems to be now accelerating what we've been able to have in our available balance, which has been good. It's been a positive report for compounding. We don't always advocate for compounding in this space, but it has, in a rare time, been what we've been able to do in Trade Like Crazy right now because of how we're involved in some other opportunities. But this is one that has continued to grow and has continued to do its thing. And for everyone that has been in the system, you've been getting some emails about Zoom calls that they've been having on a consistent basis, which has also helped people grow their teams. There are a lot of leaders out there talking about TradeLikeCrazy.ai right now as well. And, we're just going to share what it's been doing for us. But before we get started, I want to remind all of you that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor, all right? I am just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, and please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if he gets you, there's nothing I can do to help you, all right? Stay diligent and vigilant in this space and in the content section. I keep saying content section. The comment section as well. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the back office here at Trade Like Crazy. So far, we have 33 direct referrals. It's always cool. 77 team members in total, which is great. Our team turnover has not exceeded 5,000, but this is something that has been a slow cranker for us. And there's a lot of people out there really growing this thing on the outside. So who's to say that they're not with them? We're not here really focused on that per se, but we are focused on what it's been able to do for us passively. And what it has enabled us to do, it has enabled us to continue to buy these trial purchases of this plan. Now, of course, I want to mention that you can be a part of Trade Like Crazy for as little as 20 bucks, right? Worth of crypto. I mean, that's something that a lot of times is unheard of. $20 to get started in something. Of course, you hope for the best over a long-term period of time. That's what you'd hope. There's no guarantee of that, but they give you the opportunity of a $20 deposit to get you started and get your place in and all that great stuff. And then, of course, it goes up to 25,000, where you can earn on the premier level. They have different plans for different price points of different packages, different things like that. Of course, you have to assess your own risk management and decide what you are willing to risk in a system like this. All right. So far, if I were to click on withdrawal, that's usually what tells me what I have. Even though it says withdrawal here as 214, I found that it's a little bit different as it pertains to what I have available, right? So I could do a withdrawal of $33 right now, okay? And what I usually do is I just go to the trial and I purchase another one, and that allowed me, it'll say success. I'll have another one. So far, if I go to my products, I have a whole bunch of trial, all right? And I think one of these was gifted to me, but I earn in a different way from that one. So there's only so much that you can earn from a gifted one, but at the end of the day, what I've been earning off of what I've deposited has enabled me to purchase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trial packages. And I'm not sure if they're going to cap me on that, because what I'll probably keep doing is keep buying them until I can pretty much buy one every day, right? And if it continues to last, then I'm pretty much playing with house money. We know how compounding works and how it grows. And this is kind of like, if I'm being honest with you, until I decide to up my ante, this is almost like a little experiment in compounding for me, quite honestly. So we'll see how it goes. Trade Like Crazy has been performing. They've had their traders leaving their results here, which have been great to see. You can even open the photo proof of them, and they've got pages and pages and pages of trading history. So, of course, you decide what it is that you want from trading, what you want from Trade Like Crazy, and you go get it, right? If you want to reverse engineer this platform to do some great stuff for you, I do believe the average has been anywhere from 15 to 30% per month in Trade Like Crazy. And of course, they have the results here for everyone to see. And you're going to earn until you earn 3 times what your package is. So if you have a $50 starter package, you're going to continue to earn until you've earned $150. Of course, that should enable you an opportunity to buy a couple packages if that's what you wanted to do to restart your 3 times the earnings. And of course, what's most important in this factor is that Trade Like Crazy lasts long enough to achieve some of these things, because we do understand that this space is full of platforms that just don't last long enough for people to see the results that they want to receive, that they want to see passively. So with that being said, we digress, but Trade Like Crazy has been performing. I have not done a withdrawal for a little while because, of course, you've seen my plan of kind of pretty much compounding. But what we have been able to do is, if we do get referral commissions, we get them. And if we decide to withdraw one that seems sizable, great. If we get to the point where this platform, is starting to accumulate enough to withdraw on a daily basis, weekly basis that we're comfortable with, great. We may even decide to up our ante to get ourselves to that place, but we're not there just yet. We're kind of diversified and spread out in a few things, and we're going to be patient with a move like that here at BOJ. But for those of you that are interested and have not seen this as an option, I'm here to let you guys know that it has been performing, and all indications from all the other leaders is that it's performing at a high level. I personally know people that are doing withdrawals from this platforms in the thousands. So of course, that's all what we want. Well, who's going to do work to get it, right? With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west, y'all. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. All right, ask me how I know. It is not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And please, sir, please, ma'am, don't get scammed by the WhatsApp man, because if he gets you, nothing I can do to help you. All right, stay diligent and vigilant in this space and in the comment section as well. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. This is Trade Like Crazy. Peace out.